Chicago State University is partnering with the Chicago Urban League and the Bronzeville Children's Museum in a new effort to bring COVID-19 vaccine awareness to Black and brown communities. Arts correspondent Angel Idowu tells us how this video contest is working to dispel vaccine myths and educate the public on vaccine benefits.
Students at Chicago State University are encouraging members in their community to get the COVID-19 vaccine through the help of a new initiative called VaxAMillion. In addition to hosting community events where vaccines are offered with a $50 financial incentive.
Excuse me, are you vaccinated?
Yeah.
No.
What you mean, no?
Wait, why? Why would you become vaccinated?
Getting vaccinated is to protect your family, protect your people and whatnot. Why won't you get vaccinated, you know?
Students were tasked with creating 1-minute videos on why getting the vaccine is imperative. The most creative video winners received $1,500.
With the vaccine, the choice is yours.
12-year-old Aubrey is one of those campaign winners.
We're 2 years in COVID, and we know those results, and they're not good. So the vaccine could go down or up, but we're already down, so the only place we can go is up.
Dr. Suzette McKinney agrees. As a featured panelist in the VaxAMillion campaign's Facts Over Fear conversation, she says the campaign works to address common misconceptions people have about not only getting the vaccine, but fears around going to the doctor as well.
What many of them look at are healthcare disparities that currently exist, many of which have existed for quite a long period of time. In Black and brown communities, we see higher rates of chronic health conditions such as diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease. The healthcare system has not always treated Black and brown communities with the same level of dignity and respect that they've treated non-minority communities. So with COVID and with the COVID-19 vaccine, many people in Black and brown communities don't necessarily trust that this is a vaccine that is going to be helpful to them. Because of specific situations that we've seen in history, they are the essential workers that are required to be out continuing to provide services when the disease spread initially started. And so being out in the public, they were at greater risk of exposure.
Now that was the focus of CSU junior Kyra's video campaign, who was also a winner. Kyra reminds people who she's taking the vaccine for.
I have underlying health problems, my respiration isn't the best, and I'm pregnant. But I have the vaccine, I've had it for months, I've been okay, and at this point I actually feel safer. I took this vaccination for my kids, my unborn child, and the people around me, not just family, because my neighbor is part of my family. My teacher is part of my family. I see her 3 times a week. So at this point, I want her to be safe. I want her to go home to her family safe. That being said, I'm just happy that Chicago State gave me power behind my voice.
CSU President Scott says she's proud to represent an institution that's playing such a vital role.
One of the most important things that we can do for our future is making sure that there's diversity in healthcare and in science, because we have to do something to get cultural awareness and cultural competency in the healthcare profession. And I think that's one of the things that Chicago State brings to the community.
For Chicago Tonight, this is Angel Idowu.
A total of 14 students were part of the project, with 8 videos produced in the first round of the campaign's contest, which will officially roll out on the VaxAMillion website this Friday. It is yet to be decided whether they'll host another contest round or community vaccination event. And you can visit our website for more information.